Ready? Relax, Juliana. Relax. Okay, inhale deep, inhale. One. Oh, do not raise your shoulders. Don't raise your shoulders. One, inhale. Two, top. And very good. Inhale. Top. And very good. Inhale. Top. And very good, Juliana. Inhale. Top. Very good, Juliana. Inhale. Top. Very good. Inhale. Top. Very good. Inhale. Top. Very good. Inhale. Please be quiet and have your glass. Inhale. Top. Very good. Okay, we can say go up. Inhale. Inhale. Okay, do not get the strength from your sides. Get it from your gut. Get it from your diaphragm. Inhale. Top. And. Go inside, no? This one. Okay? Let's see if you can reach this one already. Let's do it one by one. Deep breath. Okay, deep properly. Inhale. Top. And. Okay, open your mouth. Open. Drop your jaw. Very good. Okay. Okay, inhale first. Inhale. Remember this? Yes, that's it. Okay, now you're getting it. That's correct. Okay, let's go down first. Sa kalienting mo.
Andyan.
Sa kanan. Basta mo proper lang, ma-observe lang siya o proper ko ano. That's why I'm giving out pang-vocalize din sa balay para ma-exercise siya. Okay, para mas ma-vocal na ito yung... Okay, ready? Again, let's go back to that. Hit it. I just want you to hit the note up. You are already in C, C, B, or in B after middle C. Second octave na po siya after middle C. Takas na iba. Iyan ka.
Basta dyan.
Okay? Okay? Okay, use your hand tone. Yes, very good. Then, reflect. Very good. Inhale. Inhale deep and stop. Stop. Then, this one. Okay, let's try. Stretch mark. Yes, that's correct. Is it giving you a headache? No. Headache? Sakit? Dili. Dili. Okay, sige. Masakit ko na siya. Kaya akong student, sa akong may students ulit bago after. Masakit lang. Napasakit siya.
Nagsakit sa ulo.
Oo. Basta di ka na. Okay, usahay ako. Pagpati ako kung magsakit.
Bakaan.
Okay, let's try. This one. Let's try. And go. One more. Okay. Correct. tummy bounce. Hop, hip. Give. Oh, ay, api, ibu dire. Di mo lang tummy. Ay, api mo shoulder. Hop, hip, oh. Okay? Very good. Okay, let's see. Ready, and hop, hip, hop. Okay, open your mouth. Hop, hop, hip, oh. Oh, okay, observe proper ano ng mouth mo because hindi masaktan. Ready, and hop, opening of your mouth, opening properly, yes, and very good. Very good. And very good. And oh, open mouth. And down. Open mouth. Always open your mouth. Very good. Intake. Very good. Okay, now okay, do the lip twist. Go. Do it. Okay, go. Okay pa, more. Okay pa, go pa Juliana. Okay pa. More. Okay, massage your face. Massage. Crumble your face muna. Just crumble your face. Make faces. Make faces. Make faces. Yes. Make faces. Now, massage your face. Good. Good job. Okay, sit down first. We will discuss. And then you choose. Sit down. We will have this. Okay, would you like to join?